St Mary's Road. B12 to Jordan's Wood.
Look, you man, it says Volvo on it. And then over here, yeah, it says electric cleaner air for London. It's not electric, so I don't know what these men are trying to do. And then even at the rear, it has the Volvo. It has the Volvo badge. What are these men playing at? I don't know what. Nah, VX are having fun and games with that one because there's no other explanation unless they're trying to convert that to BZL. Unless they're trying to slowly convert that to BZL, there's like I don't understand what. Ain't that a waste of money too? Ain't that big? Nah, these men have a sense of humour. It's probably that. These men have a sense of humour. I never knew Bexley was the type of grass to be like that. I knew Dartford was, because Dartford, I saw them putting cat stickers on some of their buses from the exterior, yeah? And Dartford were putting stop the London bus cuts as a sticker on some of their buses as well. But I never knew, and I did see Dartford spam the no smoking sticker on their buses sometimes. But I never knew BX were the type of company the type of grass to muck about like that, where they just put random shit on their buses for fun. I never knew Bexley was like that, because there's no other explanation. Like, there's only two reasons. Either they were mucking about, or they're planning to give that bus a proper electric BZL chassis refit, or something like that. Either they were mucking about, or they're trying to convert to a BZL thing. Because I don't understand what they were thinking, honestly. But yeah, these men have a sense of humour, man. I rate it. I will not lie, I rate it. It's the type of thing I would do. It's the type of thing I would do if I was an engineer as well. And it's a bit similar to when Metroline put Sport on one of their Evo Setties. And it's a bit similar to when Catford did that with 1241 as well, which shortly after they got rid of the badges for some reason, which is a shame. It was remarkable for that. But yeah, these man, they have the time sometimes where they muck about with the buses and that. And I rate it, I respect it, man, because it does give the buses more character in a way. But nah, Bexley, yeah, just for that one, yeah. You man deserve to give that a proper electric convert, just for that. Nah, I'm only joking. Nah, do it. I don't care about you wasting your money. Do it, fam. A driver at Bexley, yeah. He has to crush that bus, or someone has to set it on fire, so that it goes back to the garage, and they're like, oh fuck it, let's convert to electric. That's what has to happen.